In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose between the different purchasing options for Microsoft Word and Excel. If you're considering adding these essential tools to your digital toolbox, you actually have two main paths you can take. Let's break them down to see what might work best for you. First, let's talk about Microsoft 365, previously known as Office 365. This is a subscription-based service with two primary options: Microsoft 365 Personal and Microsoft 365 Family. If you're a solo user, the personal plan might be perfect for you. It includes not just Word and Excel, but also PowerPoint, Outlook, and more. Plus, you'll get the added bonus of 1 TB of OneDrive storage. It works seamlessly across all your devices, whether it's a PC, Mac, tablet, or phone. This option will run you approximately $99.99 a year or $9.99 monthly. And because it's a subscription, you'll enjoy the most current updates and features as they're released. Now, if you're looking to cover more users, consider Microsoft 365 Family. This allows up to 6 users to enjoy what Personal offers, including that handy 1 TB of storage for each person. This plan is priced at about $129.99 a year or $12.99 a month. Both these subscriptions are available directly through the Microsoft website and will auto-renew unless you decide otherwise. Keep in mind that you'll need an internet connection to install and utilize some of the features from time to time. Shifting gears, let's explore the one-time purchase option with Office Suites. If you prefer owning your software outright without worrying about ongoing fees, this could be the route for you. The perpetual licenses, as they're known, provide a classic way of handling software ownership. Office Home 2024 gives you access to Word, Excel, and PowerPoint for a one-time payment of roughly $149.99. This is designed for use on one PC or Mac and includes essential security updates. However, it doesn't come with feature upgrades like the subscription options do. If Outlook is also on your wish list, you might lean towards Office Home and Business 2024, which adds Outlook to the mix. It's priced around $249.99. Both versions, released in October 2024, allow you to enjoy these tools indefinitely without recurrent charges. Do note, though, that while these versions receive important security updates, they don't offer new features. Furthermore, Microsoft's long-term support, specifically for older suites, including security updates, is set to wind down around October 2025. So whether you prefer the flexibility and updates of a subscription service like Microsoft 365 or the permanence of a one-time purchase with Office Suites, it's all about choosing the right fit for your personal or familial needs.